Alright guys, we are headed into Oakridge Equestrian Campground. This is in the Lower Hillsborough Wilderness Park. We have to enter a gate code to get in.
Go in and find us a spot, and I'll come in last and close the gate back.
Okay. Alright guys, I'll show you more when we get there. And another new location, and today we're in amongst the pines. Nice little campground. This is Oakridge Equestrian Campground in the Lower Hillsborough Preserve Park. Got us a nice little campsite going on here. We're here for a week. Good morning, everyone. We are going to be cooking breakfast on the Blackstone this morning. We're having bacon and pancakes. There's Miss Dorothy. There's Henry and Leanne's little Rambler. And Don and Kevin right back here. It's 66 degrees this morning. It's supposed to get up to 83 this afternoon. I've got the Blackstone all heating up, so it's time to get cooking. Pancakes on the griddle. Life is good. They look pretty darn good. Great breakfast in the middle of our wonderful campground. Henry and Leanne are getting ready to leave. They go. See you next time, Henry and Leanne.
Bye, guys. Come up here, you. Alright, ready? Set? Go. Yeah, that won't happen. You make Shirley's bed here. This is insane. Check this out, y'all. I have got to try to get this corner over there. Alright? This thing, it does not bend upwards. Alright, let's see. I can't put my hand down there and hope for any contact down there. So I gotta try to pull it up.
Yes, sir.
This is insane.
Oh. She's making my bed.
I'm failing terribly. I'm about to give up on this. I'm telling you. When Shirley did her video on this, it was no joke. No joke. This is insane. Ugh.
Now, okay, did you kind of get that other corner, that back corner,
No, not
kind of caught on
yet.
there? Well,
I
the
gotta
reason-
get some schedule here to hold it in place for me.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you that this front left corner is going to be the hardest one to get on.
This one over here?
Yes, so we need to do it next, and then this one.
Okay. So she says.
So she says. So from this point,
I don't even have this corner on fully yet. Ow.
did you get it?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, now come down off the bed,
Alright.
and we're gonna lift the mattress, and then put that corner on. So you have to lift the bed and hold the sheet.
And hold the sheet. She did say. Alright.
And slip the corner on.
Let me get the corner in the right place. Alright. Got that. That's actually easy when you do it like that.
Yeah. And then this front corner.
Maybe it would have been easier to put the backside on by tipping it up. I don't know.
No, because there's nowhere for it to tip.
I know. True, otherwise I would have been able to pull it up a little bit. I gotta get my other leg in here. Calisthenics, y'all. This is a workout and a half.
Yes, it is.
I can't even get... My arm's not long enough. I'm like a T-Rex here. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know now. You're seeing this. This is the last time I'm making Shirley's bed.
That Grand Design Series 1500 or Series 150 is sounding better and better all the time.
And I still don't have that corner in correctly.
Okay. All righty. Thank you.